In this particular video, I'm going to be introducing to you the PERIA coin or the PERIA airdrop. The concept here is very simple. It is mining a digital token or a digital asset on the Binance Smart Chain. So just like every mining project, you mine daily, and the total supply of this particular project is 100 million tokens. This is actually their X page, okay? One of the reasons I'm doing this particular project is because you can actually sell the tokens even without it listing. You remember what we are doing in Vericoin? If you mine Vericoin, you can sell your Vericoin even as Vericoin has not listed. So that is the same thing for this particular token, and the supply is very small, 100 million tokens. And out of that 100 million tokens, 60% is for miners, then the rest is reserved for the team. I believe that's clear enough. So right now, let me guide you through the registration processes. So I'm going to put my referral link in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video. Tap on the more again. Get into the video description and you're going to see this referral link. I'm also going to drop it on the comment section. So once you tap on the referral link like this, it's going to bring it to your browser like this. So just scroll up. Scroll until you get down. You can see this start mining for free. You come and tap on it. For now, it is only available for Android users. So just come and tap on get it on Play Store. You can see App Store coming soon. So for iPhone users, you might not be able to do this particular project. So let me just tap on get it on Play Store. So just tap on it. So coming right here, you just install it. But since I've already installed it, I'll just come and tap on open. So I'll tap on open. I've already set everything, but I'm just going to explain what you need to do, okay? So for you now, once you come here, you're going to register with your Gmail. It's not very difficult. Don't put in your email address and put password. You're going to use Google. Just tap on your Google, locate your account, and tap on your account. It is going to register automatically, okay? So once it registers, just read on your screen next, or something like that until you come to this particular point. So once you come here, for you to be able to get your referral link, you're going to come to this place where you can say referrals. You tap on referrals, then you can be able to see your referral link here. Now this is my referral code. I'm going to drop it in the video description and also in the comment section. You come and copy it. Still under this referral, just scroll up and you will need to bind it here. I believe that's clear enough. Once you bind it, your referral is going to pop up. Then you can simply just come here and tap on copy. So if you tap on it, it's not copied to your clipboard. You cannot share it to your friends. I believe that's clear enough. So after doing that, the next thing is to come and tap on this, your start mining. Tap directly on this start mining. So you tap start mining. It's going to bring you down here. So it's going to show like this. You can see this tap to mine. So what you do is just scroll up. You can see start mining. So come and tap on that start mining. Now when you tap on your start mining, just scroll up. Sometimes it might not mine and you will need to come and collect some things here, okay? Like your mining section will be filled up and you will need to come and collect some of these things here. So you just tap on collect, then you tap anywhere on the screen. Then there is going to be something down here that is going to load. It will load till the end. Then it will collect this token. I'm just explaining that to you because it doesn't come all the times. I believe that's clear enough. Good. And one thing you need to know is this. Your mining lasts for 2 hours. You can see it here. So after every 2 hours, you need to come here and mine. It is not compulsory, but you have a daily target, which is mining 7 times per day. It is not still compulsory. Like since I said, I have not mined up to 7 times per day. I think my highest has been 4 or 5 times. So the next thing now is your wallet, which is very, very important. Come down to this place where you can see wallet. Tap on your wallet. So scroll up. You will need to connect a BEP20 wallet address. So just come and tap on this connect BEP20 wallet. So you tap on it. So you actually need to put a wallet here where your tokens is going to be withdrawn to. You can use your Trust wallet, you can use your Bitget wallet, but for me, I always prefer to use my OKS wallet. So I'm going to head over to my OKS right now. So coming to your OKS wallet or any Web3 wallet you want to use, just go to your BNB. You can see it here. So you tap on your BNB and you just copy this your receiving address, or you just tap on receive and you copy it. Okay, so I'm just going to come and copy it here. So I tap on it, it has been copied to my clipboard, so I minimize and go back to the app. Coming back here, I'll just come and paste it here. Then I'll paste it. I'll tap on this good on my keyboard, you can see it. Then I'll tap on save and send verification. So I'll tap on it. So you can see what they said here, verification email sent. Check your inbox and click the verification link to confirm your wallet address. So I'm just going to go to my email and do that. Okay, this is going to expire in 24 hours, so just tap on confirm wallet address. So you can see it, wallet verified. Then you can just come here and tap on go to withdraw, or better still, just go back to the app. So since I've confirmed it, I just need to go back. If you did not receive the email, you just tap on resend email. Then at any point you can actually change your wallet. Just come and tap on change wallet and repeat the whole process. Okay, so if you check here, you're going to see something like this. So just hold it and drag it down, and if you come down here, you can see it that my wallet has been verified. So from here now, you can be able to see the breakdown of your earnings. Okay, you can see your history, you can see your PERIA coins. So basically, just scroll up and check things out for yourself. So if I come up now, you can see withdraw. So I can tap on withdraw. So coming down here, I think basically it's not time to withdraw, but don't worry, I'm going to do another video showing you how you can be able to withdraw. Okay, so going back, basically you need to always come back to this your mining and always mine here. Very important. That's the most important thing. Mining as much as possible. If you can mine 7 times, the better. I'm going to be giving you more updates about this particular project. So if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications, so that you're going to be notified whenever I drop those particular updates. Okay, and just like I said, I'm going to drop my referral link and my referral code in the video description. Tap on the more below this particular video, tap on the more again, get into the video description, use my referral link and start this particular project right away. Just like I said, you can be able to sell your tokens once withdrawn to your wallet, even when the token has not listed. And the supply is very small, is very low, 100 million tokens. What that means is that if the team is able to raise $100 million, that means one of the tokens is going to list at $1. If the team raised $25 million, that means one of the tokens is going to list at $0.25, which can be quite feasible. So just make sure you're mining and make sure you are consistent. I believe that's clear enough. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you or you found any form of value from this video, do what to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications, so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do what to join my Telegram community, link in the video description, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.